This is AKM Aerials in Highworth, Wiltshire. Our phone number is 0800 0122 356, or look at our website at www.akmaerials.co.uk. Also send us an email on info@akmaerials.co.uk. At AKM Aerials we do digital TV aerials, phone system installations, TV installations, sky installations, CCTV, satellite broadband and home cinema installations. This is the installation we've just done for the customer, which is an aerial on a 12-foot mast with a chimney bracket and amplifier. This is in Highworth. If you'd like to phone us, our phone number is 0800 0122 356 and we cover the Highworth area.